Well, here we are. We're doing about 55 miles an hour on the GSX S750, which is essentially the Gixxer 750 with an upright riding position. You might be able to hear from the sound of the exhaust note that we've got the Yosh pipe on here, and this thing is EPA legal, so that's a great accomplishment by Yoshimura. The exhaust pipe is completely legal in all states. It is available only from Suzuki dealers, available at point of purchase, and I have to tell you, it sounds great. It's not insanely loud, but it's definitely got that nice four-cylinder burble that I love so much, and got a nice popping and banging on the overrun, which also sounds really good. So I'm using the Prism camera with the Sena 20S headset. So the Prism camera is Sena's first foray into the onboard digital camera market. I have to say it works really well. Picture quality is definitely high definition. It's certainly better than any of the older model GoPros, and absolutely on a par with the latest of anything, so it's really good picture. But as you can hear, I can dictate into the audio track as I'm riding, and if somebody else was on the intercom with me, you'd be able to hear them as well. So it adds another dimension to things. Of course, wind noise is very much dependent on what bike you're riding and what helmet you're using and so on. I'm actually using the Arai RXQ, which is a really, really nice helmet, and it's well, it's not a nice helmet, it's the nicest helmet, quite frankly. It's a really, really nice street helmet, and relatively quiet. It's got a drop-down chin curtain, which helps reduce noise even further. So here we are at 40 miles an hour, and you can hear that the audio is almost perfect. I mean, the wind noise is completely gone. Interestingly, we tried it the other day at highway speeds, and the noise cancellation technology with Sena is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So we could chat, we could talk, we could absolutely hear everything. Still use the commentating track at 80 miles an hour. So very impressive. Love this Sena stuff.